What up, y'all? Big Dad Blastoise here. The good luck fairy hit us, and I'm just gonna say, more Phantasmal Flames. We're gonna get into those, and we're gonna rip a Japanese pack from Mythical Mart. Let's get into it. All right, here we go. Phantasmal Flames, starting again with the Charizard. All right, so get this ripped open. First of all, go Birds. If you know, you know. Say it back, baby. Now, pop this bad boy open. Like I said, the English packs are just so much easier to open than Japanese and Korean. I don't know what it is. My shaky hands just can't. And it is, like, just a feature of my videos now. Code card. There we go. Move that card forward. Let's see what we got. Grass Energy. Baneri. So no hits, well, no crazy hits at least in that one. Let's move on to the next. All right, next into the Japanese Mega Symphonia. Sorry for the construction sounds in the background, but hey, developing neighborhood is always good. Let's get this ripped open. No luck with those tear tabs, none at all. But way better luck with the Japanese pack today. Let's go. All right. You know, it trips me up every time that those Japanese cards are only 5 packs. But pretty solid hits today. Let's pop it off to the side and get into that last pack magic on Phantasmal Flames. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. Get this pack ripped open. See what we can get today. Have you ripped any Phantasmal Flames or any of the Japanese or Korean packs? What'd you think? Get anything good? Any massive hits? Anything, what is your chase card? You know, I know it's not in this set, but Dark Blastoise is definitely mine. Another code card for you. Let's move that front card. All right, Electric Energy. Let's see where we go from here. Wombre. Ooh, Jumbo Ice Cream. I can go for one of those right now. Another Wigglytuff. I'm gonna get tired of seeing that guy, huh? Bronzong. Ooh, Moltres. Fantastic. A Battle Cage. And a Reshiram. All right, well, that is it for me this week, y'all. You have a great week. Have a great night. Most importantly, go Birds. I'll see you next time.